In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay logo quickly and free using an online design tool. By following these steps, you will be able to design a professional-looking logo for your eBay store without any cost. Start by visiting a free design platform, such as Canva. Open your preferred web browser and enter the website's address. Once the site loads, look for options to create a new design. You may need to browse through the homepage to find a button labeled Create a Design or similar. This will take you to the design interface where you can start your logo creation. After accessing the design tool, focus on customizing your logo. Begin by adding your store name to the canvas. You can do this by selecting the text tool, usually represented by a T icon. Next, choose simple fonts that align with your brand identity. You can explore various font styles in the text settings. Additionally, select clean design elements such as shapes or icons that complement your store's theme. Ensure that the overall design is visually appealing and easy to read. Once you are satisfied with your logo design, it's time to download it. Look for a button that says download or export, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Before downloading, select the high resolution option to ensure your logo appears sharp and professional. The download may take a moment depending on your internet speed, so be patient while the file is prepared. After downloading your logo, navigate to your eBay store profile to upload it, log into your eBay account, and go to the My eBay section. From there, find the account settings and look for an option labeled Business Information or Store Logo. Click on this option to access the upload feature. You will be prompted to select the logo file from your device. Make sure that the file size meets eBay's requirements to avoid any upload issues. Once the upload is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your logo has been successfully updated. This confirmation might take a few moments to appear, depending on your... After confirming, check your eBay store to ensure that the new logo displays correctly on your profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.